Welcome back. I am doing a follow-up video from my unboxing from the Pretty Party Kit. This is one of our new card kits that just launched the beginning of May. It's a lot of fun. It's this fun balloon kit, and I'm going to do a separate video to show you each card that you can make in the kit. So this hopefully won't have too much of a halo effect, but this is what all of the cards look like, and we are going to make this one today. So just going to show you how quick and easy it is to do. So we're going to start with our instructions. In the unboxing video, I already sorted all my supplies, so I have the supplies here for the first card. And one of the things we're going to need to do is stamp using birthday and wishes. So I am going to go ahead and get started with that. Move this aside. And included in your kit, it comes with the little ink spot. And for this kit, it is Cajun Craze. I actually am not going to open that. I will save that because I can use that for other kits that I design. So I'm going to use our full ink pad to do my stamping. I'm going to get my foam mat out. And our kits, they all come with the block that you're going to need. And this is the stamp set. So we'll start with birthday. We're going to take the birthday and we're going to put it on our block. We'll go ahead and get that inked up. And per the instructions, so there's two different banners here. And when you look at the instructions, it tells you that you want to stamp the word birthday on this piece. And then we're going to stamp the word wishes on this piece. So I'm going to go ahead and ink up the birthday and put that across here. Then we're going to swap it out to use the word wishes. And we're going to stamp the word wishes on this other banner piece. And as I mentioned in the unboxing, they do give you extras of these pieces. So in case you mess up when you're stamping, you do have an extra to work with, which is really nice. So I'm going to move that ink pad out of the way and move the stamps out of the way and show you the next thing we're going to do is just start assembling. So I'm going to leave my foam mat here, and hopefully that'll help me keep things in picture. So this is our card base. And when you look at the instructions, it shows you the card base. And then above that, it shows you you're folding that in half. Again, I may later come back and make alternates with this because you could very easily cut this where it's scored, cut this in half and get two card fronts out of it. But we are going to make it just as it's designed to be made. So we're going to score that. And then it tells us that we want to take this balloon die cut piece, but it wants me to flip it over. So I'm just trying to show you, like, this is how the instructions work. So we're flipping it over, and you can see it's telling us that we are going to add some dimensionals on the back side of this balloon. And it includes, in the kit, you get a full sheet of these dimensionals, which are always one of my favorite embellishments to use. Who doesn't love dimensionals? The question is, how many dimensionals do you like to use? Are you a more or less kind of person? So now that we have put our dimensionals on here, we're going to flip it over, and it actually goes on the front of our card, and it goes above the balloon that's on there. So now all we've done is just pop that up. So we'll go ahead and take off the backing. If you were curious, there's 9 dimensionals on there. A lot of dimensionals. That's okay though. So we're going to add that. The next step tells us to take these 2 pieces and we're going to flip them over. So we're going to flip over the birthday and flip over the wishes. It wants me to add a glue dot. That is what that dark round circle is. And then these hexagons are, again, the dimensionals. So we're going to, we need 3 dimensionals. 1, 2, 3. And then we need one of our glue dots, which are these little dots here. These are our little mini glue dots that are included in the kit. And the easiest way to get the backing off of a glue dot is to use your Take Your Pick tool. Just come in and it comes right off. You can actually use your Take Your Pick tool to get your dimensionals off as well. I just use my hands because I don't find them difficult, but sometimes people do. So, and then we're gonna bring our card back and we're basically just adding the birthday wishes over the top of this balloon. So the birthday is gonna go all the way to the edge of the front of the card. And then the wishes goes to the edge of the card further down. I'm gonna, if I can, I'm gonna move this. I think I put this a little higher than I probably wanted to. So I'm gonna just move it down a little bit. Close that gap a little so that's a little closer together. There we go. And the last thing we need to do is it tells us we need 3 embellishments here. And it looks like it's 2 large and a small. And it kind of shows us. We're going to do a large here, and a small there. So we're going to come in with our Take Your Pick tool. And we're going to just put this again. Let's see, one goes down here. And honestly, you can put these wherever you want. I'm just making it just how it's made in the instructions to show you how it's intended to be made. And just like that, that first card is done. And you have enough supplies in the kit, you can make 3 of these. So that is card number 1. Now join me again later. I will bring you card number 2.